ilega Be amana tulama futaga Imena tafaina yafumai I'll let you one day my fight a fight Faalogo Salilay manap tuwang sige atas Tafama wayay Faalogo Salilay manap tuwang sige atas Tafama wayay
Hey Marian, here I am. This is my house, that is my man. I got 7 brothers, plus me, mom and dad. Make my little sister here, don't be like that. This is my partner, Marian Samantha. She's only 16 years old, but it doesn't matter. She told me she loves me and I'm her lover, but I have to give this shit where my nigga will look at Mom, Dad, I know this is bad, but I'm sure what I'm doing. I don't want you to get mad. Please let me go to my own. Let me go to fulfill this hope. Baby, I'm sorry, I know we're in a hurry, but this whole thing is real. We're getting married. Take my hand, we are ready to go. Loving you, baby, I am ready to show.
Ova kua kupe auro, kai mange na whale Ngō whawheno wola, o oka mawhe Lo alofa whamaongi, a ngei wō polonga Sawe malo whaki, awai kasi aula Te okoe lo mea lofa, ma ngei mea wai whai E kua plaka e anu pele e so whai Ai e kere kau mai, peke sau e kere whai mai E a mama,